Hello, sir. Good day. Hello, sir. Again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everyone, right? So again, welcome to Oliveboard. Let's start with our mock solution. So today we'll be doing the NTPC live mock solution, right? So again, NTPC mock, I guess just your reasoning session has just ended. So let us start with this. Not this question, definitely. Not this question, definitely. This one, not this one. Acha, first question I've got. First question we have got. So variation standard deviation is given as 16, asking the variance. Standard deviation is given as 16, so they are asking the variance, and it's a very simple question to start off with. Sir. It is a very simple question to start off with. Right? So इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा कर सकते हैं क्या? Should not do. So So voltage is as basic. Variance is nothing but square of this. Variance is equal to SD square. Sir. So that means if it is SD 16, it will be a 16 square. That is 256. That will be most definitely your answer, which is sir, which is sir, option number D, sir. Which is definitely sir, option number D, sir. Very simple question, right? Very simple question, sir. Next one, sir. So this is reasoning. No, this is not reasoning. This is maths. Second one, sir. Second one, sir. Solution to the second question. Let's see. Let us see, sir. LCM of three numbers formed by adding first three multiples of five with first three multiples of two. So first three multiples of 5, 10, 15. First three multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, sir. Add them. 7, 14, still like bold this one. So this is the LCM is definitely 42. So we can just simply check. 42 is there in option C, sir. 42 is there in option number C. That is most definitely your answer. That is most definitely your answer, sir. Very simple question once again. Very simple question, sir. Moving on, परसेंटेज चलो ये भी हमारा ही क्वेश्चन है in a class ratio of rural to urban students is 4:7. Okay, average percentage marks for rural and urban students is 65 and 63. Overall average percentage option 63 area. This is a very unique technique here. So one average is 63, another average is 65. Right? Everybody remember one thing, the class average, whatever is the total overall average, it has to lie between 63 and 65. It has to actually lie between 60 to 63 and 65, sir. Remember this, sir. Remember this. Right? Because average of any data set, it is always between the smallest and the largest. Average means meaning, sir, when we trying to get towards the middle one, sir, we are only trying to get towards the middle one, sir. You understand? It is, but see, please be careful. You know, in ratio, if this ratio is same, meaning sir, one ratio, then average will always be the middle value of 63 and 65, that is 64. But see, this is the left hand side is small Friends, like snaps and this ratios, this effect, returning in the fraction, it will be less. So my average will be more towards this, sir. It will be more towards 63 than 65. If the value is looking in the right hand side, weighted average, you see, it is what is called weighted average. If the weight was more towards 65, then my average would have been more shifted to 65. And if they those are equal, then middle value is the answer. So my answer will be somewhere between 63 and 64. Check my answer. This is only being a single line of calculation. So 65, not imagine yes, this B and B will never be the answer. Because it has to be between average has to be between 63 and 64. So only thing that is less than that is between 63 and 64, that's yes. Option A, that must be your answer, sir. You see. That must be your answer, sir. You do not need to calculate for this. You don't need to calculate a single line for this, sir. Use your concept. Explain. We have not been a single line of calculation. This is purely based on our concept. No formula, nothing, sir. Just calculation. Just calculations. Moving on, sir. Moving on, 60 advanced part. Advanced triggers 75, 15. Said anyone out like knows how to go 75 and 15? Okay, let me give you one formula. Or rather, let me say, if you write cos of A plus B, is there any maximum law? Just a second. Yeah, भाई साइज तो छोटा ही है भाई. Look, now is it? Yes, now it is okay. Now it is okay, sir. Chalo, sir. So if I say write this cos, वो देखो फिर से बुला हो गया. पता नहीं what is happening. A plus B. It is equal to sir cos A plus B minus sir sin A sin B, sir. And sir, if I write cos A minus B, sir, then it is sir cos A plus B plus sin A sin B. I'll change the software and write in another software. Okay? Just let me complete the solution of this question. Then I'll switch. Your voice is not clear. Voice is breaking. What means it? Voice is not clear. Just give me a second, sir. Please give me a second. Because actually I'm using a new. Now clear, sir. Now clear, sir. The voice. Now the voice is clear, sir. Now the voice is clear. Now the voice is clear, sir. Now the voice is clear. What the fuck? What the clear, sir? Not clear. Not clear now. Just a second. Could not be the case, no? Still. Just 1 second. Just let me give me 1 second. Now you see, na? Now is it clear, sir? Now it should be clear. Tell me, na? Is it clear now, sir? Is it clear now, sir? It should be clear by now. Arghamita, Ashok, anyone? Is it clear? Is it clear now, the audio? Yes. So that my laptop now has some AI features. So with this new mic, it had actually turned that on. Ruko. Just give me a second. Now the gain I have also turned down a little bit. Now it should be clear, sir. Now it should be crystal clear, sir. Right? It is now absolutely clear. Yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. Chalo, sir. Some unwanted interruptions. Achha. Sir, if I now, please understand, what do I need? I need sine into sine. Meaning I need this part, sir. That means what I'll do, if I add them, this will cancel. So I'll subtract. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So if I do subtraction, cancels, and this becomes minus 2 sine A sine B, sir. So now, can you, using this relation, can you figure this out, sir? That means if I now want to put these values, if I now put this particular value, sir, this is A is at 75 degree, B is 15 degrees, sir. So it is 75 A, B is at 15 degree. And this minus, I'll take this to this side. So it will be, sir, cos 75 plus 15, 90 degrees, sir, minus cos A minus B. That will be how much, sir? 75 minus 15, sir, 60 degree. With a negative sign, this negative sign. That will be my answer. Cos 90 degrees is what, sir? Everybody knows that is 0. Minus cos 60, sir, 1 by 2. Sir, minus of minus half means the answer will be half, sir. The answer will be half. Option number, sir, B. Option number, sir, B. Clear? Clear? No worries, no worries. No worries, you do it here now. I completely forgot your name, brother. Authentic Views. I've completely, you told me most probably last week, but completely forgot. Completely forgot, brother. Apologies for that, but again, I completely forgot. 1 by 4 aa raha hai kya? Achha, this 2 was not, achha, sorry, that's simple, sir. This 2 was there, na? Achha, here they have not given 2, I've missed it. So this will be, sir, by 2. This 2, sir. So it will become, sir, by 2. This is 1 by 4, sir. Option C, sir. Option C will be the answer, sir. Option C is going to be the answer, 1 by 4. Yes, Arghamita, thank you so much. I made that error. I actually made that particular error. Very simple error, right? Like very silly error, I should not say. No error is simple. Rukona, let me put a limiter on. Now it should be better. Chalo, sir, chalo. Next question, sir. Next question, sir. 24 divisibility. Chalo, sir. Let us do this 24 divisibility thing, sir. 7-digit number, this one, divisible by 24. A possible value for x, meaning it will be a lengthy question. Possible values meaning there are many possibilities. And we are going ahead with a composite number. So I told you composite number means 24 means I can write 3 times 8. So we will go with this. So meaning it will be divisible by 3. It will be divisible by 8 as well. Which one will I check first? I have told this countless times. There are 2 variables here. 7, x, 5, 00, sir, y and 4. There are 2 variables x and y. I'll start with whichever variable, like divisibility, which gets me the opportunity to work with one of the variables rather than the both at the same time. If I take 3, I need to take x, y both. Whereas if I take this 8, I can only deal with this 4, this y. Now, divisibility rule of 8, last 3 digits has to be divisible by 8. So what can be possible values of y? 24 I can put. 50, 64, meaning 6 I can put. There is nothing else. There are only two possible values of y, that is 2 and 6. One is 2, another is 6. Again, voice not proper. Sumer Singh is saying voice not proper. Arghamita, Ashok, authentic views, like you guys are again having voice issue. It should not be there now. It should not be there now. Voice is clear. Yes. Sumer, voice okay. Acha. Sumer, because there was the voice issue because of the AI in my laptop, but again, I have turned that off. I have turned that off. Right? Voice is clear. Okay. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Now, y is, I've got, so x values. So it is x value. So if I take y as 2, that means this is now 7x 524. Or if I take like 6, it is 7x 564. Now, do not try to do everything for 3. Why? Because it will eat up your time. Better will be, sir, just put the options, check with the options. Check with the options in both the situations. Sir, first option 3, sir. Let's see now, sir. If I put 3 here, sir, 7, 3, 10, 15 and 6, 21 are divisible by 3. 3 is most definitely one of my answers. But again, if I just, possible they are asking. So if I get something, I won't even go for the second option. I won't even go for the second option. I'll say this has to be my answer. This has to be my answer, sir. 100%, sir. This has to be my answer. Clear, everyone? Absolutely clear, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on. ये भी हमारा नहीं है. Not this one. Yes, this one's. ये क्या है? A is 25% more than B. C is 16% less than. The difference between A and B. Okay. Achha, A is 25% more. A, B, and C will figure out next. B is 100, so A is 125. 25% more. Now the difference is 25. Difference is 25. C is what? 16% less than that. 16% less than that. Achha, let's do one thing. 16% of this, 16% of 25. It means that I told you 25% of 16, because A percent of B, it is equal to, sir, B percent of A always. I can interchange, because 25% is 1/4 of 16, that is 4. That means 4 less than, like the difference. 4 less than the difference between A and B. 16% less than. So 4 less than this. That means, sir, this C is a 21. C value is a 21. A is what percentage more than C? Achha, A is 125. It is what percentage more than this? Achha, 21 times 6. It is equal to 126. Meaning this A na, sir, almost 600% of C. A is, sir, almost 600% of C. Meaning almost 500% more. Just less than 500% will be my answer. Why? Because 126, but it is 125. Just less. So it will be less than 5, just less than 500%. Because it is, this value itself is just less than 600%. So how much more? Less than 500% more option. You see option C is there. 495%. 120%, that will be my answer. That will definitely be my answer, sir. Very, very, very simple, right? Very simple, sir. Chalo, let's see, sir. 495. Again, that's the answer. Next one, sir. ये तो मेरे से नहीं होने वाला. ये भी बिल्कुल नहीं. This is also. चलो हटाओ. अच्छा. चलो, sir. Let's do this. Pie chart. Pie chart, that too with a degree. That too, they have given you with the degrees. Degree wise distribution. Amount invested. Last देखो नीचे है. amount invested in business B is how much more than that in C. Total is given, sir. Sir, if you go by degrees, na sir, if you go by degrees, it is always central angle is 360. Why? It's a circle. Circle will have always 360 degree. So now B and C ka difference. B is this, C is this. Difference is how much, sir? 24, 32 minus, sir, 0.4. Sorry, 6. 31.6 degrees ka. Sir, this is total. So 360 degree value is equal to, sir, this much, total equal to total. So this much degree, it will be, sir, 68.4 lakhs by 360 into, sir, 31.6. 1 second, yes. That will be my answer. But again, options देखते हैं ना सर, ये कैलकुलेशन, अरे वो चला गया ना, अरे वो हो गया, extremely sorry. अच्छा, the option was 31.6 by 360 into, sir, it was 68.4 the total na. So 316 36, अरे sir, it's simply if I do this na, this is 36 9s are 36 10s are right na. No, sorry, क्या ही कर रहे हैं हम. रुको सर, this also I'm taking 36 10s are this, 36 1s are this, 720 minus 36 is, so this is 19, sir. It is 19, sir. So my answer is going to be 31, like 316 into 19 by 100. 100 se there will not be any difference because 100 always changes with the decimal sign. So my answer will end in 6 into 9, that is 4. 54, that means the unit digit of my answer will be 4, sir. Yes, you see, that is what we have accidentally marked. You see, this is only one option is ending in 4, sir. Only one option. So that has to be my answer. That has to be my answer. Speed breaker. Authentic, actually, you see, you need to solve a little bit more than. DIs are not very difficult. DIs are always, you see, you have to check. Like DI solving ka kya hai na? Always remember DI solving. The person who actually, the student who solves like DIs in a very quick manner, na, you will see, you will get a trait. They are very street smart. You know the word street smart. Street smart means like not everything can be taught to anyone. Na? Please understand. While practicing, you get certain ideas. Achha, sir, if I do it like this, it gives us this results. So you tend to develop some patterns. So always that street smartness is required in DI. Because there is no set pattern. Any question can come from anywhere. Right, sir? So again, you have to be ready for that. So this is the question. This is our question. Now I'm very skeptical when I try to write how big this value, how bold this thing will be, sir. Sir, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. This is 1, sir. Square root of 1 is 1, sir. So ultimately we are having what? 2 plus 1 by. This is 15, sir. Plus this was 1. 1 by 1 is 1, sir. That is 16. Sir, ये तो सर बहुत सिंपल है. Sir, इसको हटा दो, sir. Root 16 means, sir. Root 16 means, sir, 4. This is 9 by 4, sir. 4 2s are 9, like 8 plus 1, sir. The answer will be, sir, 3 divided by 2. Nothing can be easier, sir. 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, sir, 3 divided by 2. Option number D is your correct answer, sir. Option number D is your correct answer, sir. Right? Very, very, very simple. Very simple question, sir. Sir, isko. This is a time-taking question. No matter how much I like say, because Square and a square root will take time, sir. Sir, understand how to figure out square roots in the best possible manner. Sir, root, I'm just taking this first value, 7396. Get rid of the last two digits. 73 is here. I'm asking you a few cases. Tell me answers, you will learn. 73 is in between the squares of which two numbers? You will say, sir, 73. It's between, sir, 8 square and, sir, 9 square. 64 and 81. It is in between that. Always take the smaller numbers. Write it down. 8. Last में 6 है. The unit digit is 6. Sir, always you see 4 square ends in 6. 6 square also ends in 6. There is a pattern. They always remember. 1 square ends in 1. 2 square ends in 2, sir. Sorry, 4. 3 squares are in 9. 4 squares are in 6. 5 squares are in 5. Sir, again, sir, 9 square ends in 1. Or you can start from here. 6 square again, sir, ends in 6. 7 square again, sir, ends in 9. 8 square again ends in, sir, like 4. And this is, who wrote 8? So 9 square always ends in what, sir? 9 square. 9 square is 81, ends in 1. Sir. You see, 1 means 2 digits. 2 means like 2 digits. You see? So only differentiator is 5, sir. 5 is kind of the gatekeeper who is in between. Who is in between, sir? So again, I will write down my smaller value. Now, sir, figure out 85 square is how much? Any number. Because 85, why, sir? Because I am trying to find whether I'll go towards the left or towards the right. 85 is in between, sir. It will be, so that means 6 means my answer will be either 84, sir, or my answer can be 86 as well. I don't know. Any one between these two numbers. Because in the unit digit is 6. So 85 square, how to calculate, sir? 5 square is 25. And 8, what is the previous number of 8, sir? 9. So multiply these two. 8 9s are 72. This is 8225. Any number ending in 5, this is the best way to square. 7225. This number is greater than this. Yes, my answer is greater than 8, like this 85. If this number was less than 7225, then my answer would have been 84. But in this case, that is not the case. Sir, it is 86, sir. Everybody squaring clear? Sir, what about this, sir? Minus 3249. Same thing, sir. 3249 means, sir, take 32 only. Between, sir, 5 and 6. Sir, 5 I'll write. 5. 9 means answer will be either 53 or, sir, 57. Sir, 55 nikal lete, sir. 55 square is 5 6 are 30 25. It is greater than that, meaning my answer is 57. Meaning for this is not 53, sir. It is 57, sir. Everybody try to understand. Similarly, I need to do all like these two as well. 86 means it will be 90. This is 93, sir. Right? Now, you need to use a little bit logic as well, because it is very close to 90, like 90 square, 8100. So it cannot be 97. Now, 39, 69, 39 means, sir, 5 and 6 and 7, 6. Again, sir, it is very, very close to this. Or rather, you can calculate, so 65 square, it is 6 7s are 42, 25. So 9 means it will be 63. Now, sir, minus, so let me get rid of these things first. Otherwise, you will get confused. Chalo, sir. Minus, sir, 68. Plus, sir, this is 23, 115, right? Sir, options are all in the different, there are two options, but still, let's check the unit digit ones. 6 minus 7. No, sir, I have to check, like I have to go by the normal method. So there was some plus minus. Now this has been hidden. This has been hidden. That is why some problem. This is minus, this one's plus, this one's minus, this one's also minus. Okay, sir. So 93 minus 63. This is 0, sir. 86 minus this. That means that this is 9, sir. And 115 minus 68. 8 and 7 gives you that, na? Again, that answer will be either option D or option B. We have to calculate. There is no option. There is no other option. 30, sir. 56. This is 29, sir. And this is, sir, 7, 70, 45, 47, sir. Just sorry, it is 4 आ रहा है ना? अरे यार, तब तो नहीं करना था, sir. The answer will be, sir, 94. You see the end, like the last digit is, sir, 29 and 7. That is how much? 6. Answer is 106, sir. Answer will be, sir, the unit digit is coming out as, sir, 6709. So answer is, sir, option 1, sir, 106. Answer is, sir, option 1, 106. This was a very calculative question. You see, if they want to check whether you see every question has some like reason, agenda, why this question is there in the mock. If they really wanted to check whether you know this or not, whether you can figure out the square roots, they could have given you 2, at most 3. Itna kaun deta hai bhai, 1, 2, 3, like they have given you 4, right? That is a little bit too much, if you ask me. That is a little bit too much. 106 is your answer. ठीक है, वो भावनाओं में बह गए. ठीक है, they have kind of, ठीक है sir, let's give it. Next one, not this one. अरे ये वाला था. Frequency distribution of price of watch sold by a shopkeeper every month. चलो सर, उसी का देखते सर. Sir, what is the difference between the number of watches having price above 5,000 and the number of watches below 3,000? 3,000 and below. 3,000 and below, sir. Acha, sir, that means this ones. And sir, 5,000 and above, sir, that means, sir, these ones. Sir, calculate the grids. So this is 400. 400, so this is 400. And this is 500, say, one like niche. Now, 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, 5 gap. 5 gap is equal to 100, meaning each gap is 20. So this is, sir, 480. 20 less than 500. Similarly, come here, so this is 600. And this is, sir, 400 plus 1 gap, that is 420. So 1020 minus this is how much? 880, sir. Sir, 900, that is 120, 140, sir. 140 will be your answer, sir. Very simple question, right? 140, option number 1 is your correct answer, sir. Yes, Arghamita, perfect. Very good. Very good, sir. Next one, sir. Acha, the sound is okay na? Sound now is clear. The quality is good, right? Please let me know. ये भी गार्डन में घूम रहा है, ये भी नहीं पता. अच्छा, फैक्टर्स का क्वेश्चन, सर. Find the mean. अच्छा, mean means average, sir. It's a good question, sir. Average of factors. Average means, sir, sum by number. Now this is, if you have not like done this class, please, I guess this is available. This is available in my free classes. 72. Write it down, sir. 72. 8 into 9. 8 means 2 cube. 9 means 3 square. Sir, sum of factors, how to figure it out? Very simply. If I'm not explaining, I generally show you each and everything, how the factors are actually made. So 2 cube means you will start from 2 to the power 0, sum 2 to the power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube into, sir. 3 के लिए, sir, start from 3 to the power 0, go to the highest power. 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2. That is, sir, SOF, sum of factors. Right? This is how much? 8, 4, 12, and 3, sir, 15. 9, this 12 and 1, sir, 13. 15 into 12 is, sir, 180, and, sir, this one, sir, 195. 195 is sum of factors. Number of factors, very simple, sir. Add 1 to the power, 3 into 1, 4, into 2 into 1, 3, sir, that is 12. Sir, average will be, sir, 195 by 12. 195 divided by 12, sir. ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं ना सर. 12, 15, sir, this 12, 16 point something है क्या? Yes, option B, sir. Because 12 into 15 is 180. So 12 into 16 will be, sir, what? 12 into 16 is 192. So 192 से 16 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. Slightly more than 16, that will be my answer. Option number B, sir. Option number B. And if you want to know why this happened, do you want to know this? Why this has happened? क्यों हुआ ये? Why sum of factors are this? Why sum of factors are this? Why sum of factors are this? बता दूं क्या? चलो, let's understand. ठीक है, मैं बता देता हूं. Okay, sir. This was my answer, but again, still just a quick thing, just a very quick thing. Learn this way, na, you will never forget actually. Sir, 72. I'm taking this example only. It was 2 cube into 3 square. Sir, how the factors are made, please understand. You see, this thing actually clarifies the whole thing. It means, sir, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. These are the factors. That is why we put power plus 1, because there are 4 factors. 2 to the 0 is there. And from 3, we have, sir, 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2. Now you see how factors are made. Sir, first factor is this, which is 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0, plus second factor, sir, 2 to the power 0 into, sir, 3 to the power 1, plus third factor, sir, 2 to the power 0 plus, sorry, यही तो गड़बड़ है सर, into 3 to the power 2, sir. Right, sir? Plus every, so for 2 to the power 1, again same thing, sir. All 3. 2 to the power 2, sir. All 3. 2 to the power 3, sir. All 3. Right, sir? Now, if you can take common from here. If you take common, na, sir, from the whole thing, you will end up getting this. Just in short, I have given you this into the remaining things will be, sir, 3 to the power 0 in, sorry, plus 3 to the power 1 and, sir, plus 3 to the power 2. This is why, because we are taking sum, you see, sum of factors, we are taking sum, but these are all individual factors. This is the answer to that n plus 1 into n plus 2 you do, na? Everybody clear? Everybody clear why this happens? These are all factors. If anyone asks you, this is how factors are made. This is how factors are always made. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Otherwise, this class will end at 7. Now, we're only at 30, question number 36. ये भी नहीं sir, हटाओ. Sir, this one, sir. Let's do. This one, let's do, sir. This is divisible. Sorry. This is, sir, divisible by this and this. So it's a factor theorem question, sir. If divisible, that means this is a factor. That means f of minus 1, the opposite sign. Because you put x plus 1, that is equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1, this is your f. This is your fx. Sir, f of minus 1 should be 0, sir, as this is a factor. So 2 into minus 1 means, sir, minus 2. Minus m into 1, minus 1 square is 1. Minus 5, minus plus 5 plus n. That is 0, sir. First equation we are getting m minus n is equal to 3, sir. Again, you do the same thing. Here x will be equal to 2, sir. So f of 2 will also be 0, sir. So f of 2, sir. 2, like 2 cube into 2, meaning is 2 to the power 4, 16, minus 5 2s are 10. Sorry, इधर भी था ना, minus 5x square, mx square, m into 4 meaning, sir, 4m plus n. That has to be equal to 0. That means, sir, 4m minus n, it is equal to 6, sir. Two unknowns, two equations. You put it down, sir. 4m here minus n. Subtract, sir. So n cancels. M minus 4m is minus this. This is equal to minus 3. M value is, sir, 1. So from any equation you can figure out the value of n. N will be, sir, m minus 3, that is minus 2, sir. M minus 3, that is, sir, minus 2. So m plus n value will be what, sir? 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Option number C, sir. Option number, sir, C. Option number, sir, C. A little 2, 3 lines, 4 lines of calculations, but not difficult by any means. Not difficult by any means, sir. Clear, sir? So minus 1 is your correct answer. Moving on to the next question, sir. ये भी इंटरचेंज वाला है, ये हटाओ हटाओ हटाओ. अरे वो चला गया क्या? अरे yes, this was our question. Fraction form of this, fraction reciprocal of the fraction form of this. अरे sir, this is 0.63 whole bar. You see 63, 60, 60. This is 0.21 whole bar. So this means 63 by whatever number of, there are 2 digits after the decimal which is having bar, divide by that many nines. This is 21, divide by 9. So multiplication is, sir, 63 by 99 into the reciprocal, that is 99 by 21. So 3 sevens are this, 3 21s are this, 7 3s are this. The answer is, sir, 3. Option number B, sir. Option number, sir, B. Option number, B. So, should I complete quadratic equation chapter? Solve this problem? No, authentic brother. I forgot your name, brother. Please tell me your name. That previous question was not from quadratic. That is linear equation. And that thing, if you want to go through, na. You see, if you want to go through, you go through the chapter. But if you want to, so there will be many videos. Do one thing. Come to some Saturday classes. I will explain the concept. Okay. And I guess I have done this a few things. That is the question we did now. That was from factor theorem. Generally, I covered this in the number system part. जो remainders वगैरह का part होता है. Remainder theorem, then comes factor theorem. Remainder theorem with a small change is called factor theorem. Okay. Acha, sorry, brother. Sorry. Thank you, Agila. I hope I'm taking your name correctly. Extremely sorry. Okay. And again, if you want remainder and factor theorem, do that together. Do those two topics together. Okay. क्या करना था? Yes. So next one, sir. Present age is 19:17. Age Anshu 2 year hence. Sorry, it's a बहुत simple question. There are 2 ways to go. There are, no problem. There are actually 2 ways to go. You see? There are actually 2 ways to go. You can do the same question 2 ways. One is that cross multiplication, another is normal method. And in age questions, I don't really think you should try anything else. Present age, sir, 19x, 17x. There are 2 ratios. Start with any of the ratios, you will always get your answer in a single line. Now, ratio of Anmol to Ankush. So, Anmol is 19, Anshu is this. So, 2 years hence, meaning it will be 19x plus 2 divided by, what about Anshu? 17x plus 2. That will become 10 by 9. Simple as it. 9 into 19, sir, 171. 17 into 10, 170, sir. X is bacha. It will be 10 into 2 minus 9 into 2, that is 2, sir. The single liner question. They're asking present age of Anshu. Present age of Anshu means 17 2s are 34 years. 17 4s are 34. Option number D, sir. Option number, sir, D. Option number, sir, D, you see. Right? Simple question, very simple question. Now, the more you practice, the quicker you will do. That's also. That is also. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. ये भी blood relation. देख के मेरे को डर लगता था ये chapter. This chapter used to give me very big night. Like I used to get nightmares about this. ठीक है? Sir, अच्छा 1 second. चलो sir. Two partners A and B invested amounts 2:3. This ratio, this. Sir, how to figure out profit sharing ratio, sir? 2:3. That is what, sir? That is, sir, investment ratio into, sir, time ratio, sir, into, sir, 9 into, sir, 10. Calculate kar do, sir. This is 5. This is 3, sir. 3:5 will be the profit sharing ratio. किसी का बता दिया. A is 9. 3 parts का value is given as rupees 900. So anybody will say this will be, say, rupees 1500. 5 parts का value. That is our question. That was our question. Option number D is your answer. You see your answer will be option number D, sir. That is most definitely our answer, sir. Yes. Ahalya, Argamita, absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yes, authentic brother, you normally, please understand, this chap subject is very simple. We complicate the mathematics. We complicate mathematics and we get into trouble. Okay? Achha, sorry. Again, I forgot to do this. Product of, sir, two positive numbers is 378. First number is 3 more than second. Arey sir, ye karenge to you will get quadratic. You solve it normally, you will get quadratic. So again, whenever I see quadratic, I have a special allergy with quadratic. So what I'll do, sir? I will use some jugaad. We Indians are very good in jugaads. Sir, isko break it, sir. 1836, 9. So it is so 9. This is a 21, 3, 7. These are the factors I need to make two numbers, which is having difference of 3. 9 into 2, 18. अरे हो गया देखो. 3 into 7, sir, 21 is one number. 9 into 2, 18 is another number, sir. Some of them they are asking, sir. The answer will be, sir, 39, sir. 39 ये देखो option D में बैठा. It is option D, sir. Again, you are getting my point. I have taken all the factors. Now I will play around with it. I know I need the difference. One number is 3 more than the other, meaning the difference between the numbers is 3. So I'm just simply calculating. I'm just calculating very, very, very simply, sir. Right? Chalo mark karte hain, sir. Option D, sir. It was a 10-second question, not more than 10 seconds. Again, I'm forgetting to do this. Agila, extremely sorry, extremely sorry. This is my fault. ये क्या दिया है? X 343 7. अरे, this is तो looking like a easier question. अच्छा, sir, only from this I can figure it out. I don't need this, sir. We don't need this. Why I need value of x वगैरह? Sir, x by y. If I write it down properly, x by y is, sir, 2401 by 1715. Use componendo dividendo. School wala technique, sir. Use componendo dividendo x because that is what they're asking. Componendo dividendo was always whatever you do to the left, do the same to the right. You will get, you are sorted, sir. 2401 plus 1715 divided by 2401 minus 1715. बाप रे, बहुत डर लग रहा है. Sir, unit digit is 6, sir. Here, sir, unit digit is also 6. Sir, option answer will be, sir, unit digit. Acha, sorry, 1 second. 6 4s are 24. Please understand this. Please understand. Check the options. 5:1, 4:1, 4, like this type. Is to 1 always. The denominator is 6. So that means this is 1, sir. So this, if 5:1 is the answer, That means this into 5 will be the numerator. But again, that means it has to have a unit digit 0. If 4 is to 1 is the answer, 6 into 4, 24. It has to have a unit digit 4, sir. But it is having 6. I know, sir. 6 into 6 is 1. Like, it gives us unit digit 6. So my answer has to be this. I will not do the calculation. I will not do this calculation. Allergy, sir. So let's see now. Let's see now, sir, if we are correct. You see we are correct. 100% we are correct. Yes, 100% we are correct. No, Argamite, you get my point. I have avoided the calculation just by checking the unit digit. Just by checking the unit digit, sir. Authentic brother, you actually have said the same like true thing. This is from polynomials chapter only. In NCERT 9th, you will find this the factor and remainder theorem under polynomials only. But actually, in advanced maths, now we take it under that, because like that way you can get the comprehensive view. AP ka question, not AP. This is not AP. Sequence series ka question. This is a question from sequence series, sir. Let's see now, sir. First term is 1. Second term is 5. Third term onwards, each term is average of the all the preceding terms. Acha, sir. This is, sir, A1, first term. This is, sir, A2, sir. A3 is sum of all the terms by like the average, meaning, sir, 3. Average of all the preceding. So A3 is average of A1 and A2. 5 plus 1 by 2, sir. 3, sir. So A4 will be what, sir? I have to make the series, na. I have to make the series, na. That means, sir, 5, 1, 6 plus 3, 9. Array, this is also 3. Array. Now, things become interesting. A5, sir. Sir, it will not change, you see. Until and unless these values are not changing, it will not change, because you see, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 by 4 you do, again you are getting 3. That means all the other terms are 3, sir. All the other terms we can say 3. 6 you can calculate. Same, because it is 3 and it is getting added by 3 and division. So same will be the answer. Same will be this. Acha, what is the difference? There is a 25th. 25th term is also 3. 30th term is also 3. So 300th term is also 3, sir. So anything they ask, the answer is 0, sir. The difference between the values will always be, sir, 0. The difference will always be, sir, 0, sir. Right? It is always, sir, 0. Again, if you guys are liking the session, please do hit the like, because it gives the view like session a little bit more reach. More students can get to see what we are doing and learn. Like that knowledge is something that only increases while sharing. Now, sir, the distance covered by Purushottam Express in the first hour is 60, increases by every hour by 10 kilometer per hour. Total distance, अच्छा ये तो AP का question है. This is a AP question. Time taken, total time. I don't know. I'm taking the train has traveled for T hours. First hour 60 kilometer. Second hour, sir, 10 kilometer more, sir, 70. Then, sir, 80. Then, sir, N term, sir. This is an AP. So not in here, I should say, because I've taken T now. So I should say, sir, this is T terms. This is, sir, T terms, sir. Sir, AP का sum formula T divided by 2 into sir 2A, 2 times A, that is 120, plus N minus 1 into 2 D, that is 10 is the D, sir. D value is 10, sir, common difference. N minus 1 means it is T minus 1 into, sir, 10. That is given as 2160. Chalo, sir. This is given. Acha. It will give you a quadratic. So don't fall into that trap. Just normally solve it. It is 60t plus. This is 5. 5t square minus 5t. It is equal to 2160. Na? 5 I can take common and kind of cancel. If I do that, t square 60 minus 5, 55, now it will become 11t, and this is minus, this is divided by 5, meaning twice, 432. 432, it is equal to 0. Check from the options. बड़ा है ना सर 140, ये तो नहीं नहीं 16 can be our answer, 16 or 18. 16 एक बार चेक करो ना सर, check with 16 ना सर, 256 and 11 into 16 means 176. No sir, अरे नहीं, I have made an error. I must have made an error. T square minus 50t. I must have made an error ना. 12 hours आ रहा यूनिट डिजिट से, नहीं रुको रुको रुको, I must have made an error because you see 12 तो आ ही नहीं सकता. I must have made a very basic error somewhere. 2a plus n minus 1 into d, it is 2160, 60t plus this is t square and this is 5, 2 and 10 gets cancelled, 5t square minus 5t, it is equal to 2160. 5t square minus, अरे this is plus ना, अरे पागल मैं, sorry, now तो then I cannot cancel this so easily. But again still 12, no, this 12 cannot be the answer. Similar reason I do not think, because it will be 2 less. 144 plus this is 132, never equal to 432, not even close. So that's the reason I'm not taking 14 as well. Let's take 16, sir. Let us take, sir, 16. I've said we can, unit digit, no, it will not work actually. We have to do. थोड़ा गंदा टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, कैलकुलेशन इज क्या ही करे. 256 plus 11 into 16, now 176. Looks like we got our answer. Unit digit at least saying the same. Unit digit actually saying it. Let's see. 176. That means 25 and 17, 25 and 20, 45 minus 3, 42. 42 and 12, sir, 432. Yes, sir. The answer is, sir, 16. Option C, sir. Option C is the answer, sir. Option C is most definitely your correct answer. Now, it was a little calculative. I must say, this was a little calculative, and they were like, "अरे हम तो करवा के ही छोड़ेंगे, क्या ही करें." What can we do? Whatever they will give, we have to solve. That's the beauty of the exam. That is the beauty of exam, right? Chalo sir. Next one. Acha, man buys milk. Chalo sir. Certain price per liter and mixes with water. Acha, he lies of selling at a loss of 10%, okay, with respect to his original cost, but actually gets a profit of 20%, okay. Meaning by pouring the water, he is making that profit. Actually, he is selling at a 10% loss. The quantity of water he adds like per liter. Assume water doesn't cost him 10%, na sir. Let's take, sir, CP. CP per liter is, sir, 10 rupees. It is, sir, 10 rupees, sir. 10 rupee. That means he is actually selling it for, sir, 10% loss means he is selling it for 9 rupee per liter. He is selling it for 9 rupee per liter. But he is again mixing some what? Sir, mixing some water. Now, sir, 1 liter, in 1 liter, I'm assuming he mixes A liters of water in 1 liter. In 1 liter of milk, we are doing all 1 liter. Why? Because they have asked in the question per liter. So that is why we are assuming this. So in every 1 liter of milk, he is adding a liter of water. Right, sir? So now that means he is, his CP is, sir, his CP is, sir, 10 rupees because 1 liter milk costs him 10 rupees. His SP is, sir, he is selling at a rupees 9 rupees, but he is not selling 1 liter milk. He is now selling, sir, 1 liter milk along with, sir, a liter water. The total mixture is, sir, 1 plus a. Now they are saying if he is like 20% profit, meaning from here his SP should be, sir, his SP should be, sir, 12 rupees, 20% profit. That means this is equal to 12 rupees, sir. 3, 3, 3, 4. 3 plus 3a, it is equal to 4. A is 1 by 3. Meaning every liter of milk he adds 1/3 liter of water. 1 by 3. B is most definitely your correct answer, sir. B is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Yes, sir. क्या है भाई? So many calls. This was a good question. Good question. The same thing, you see, like they have kind of played with a little bit, not a very common question. Not a very common type of question. We had to think. We had to think actually, right? अच्छा, again, ये हटाना मैं भूल गया. Extremely sorry. कितना क्वेश्चन है? ये भी हटाओ हटाओ हटाओ. अच्छा, pipe and cistern, pipe and cistern, pipe and cistern. Let's see, sir. Let us see, sir. आ गया भाई. Two pipes, flow rate, meaning efficiency is given, sir. Ratio. Sir, efficiency ratio is 3:5, sir. Okay, A here, B here. Now, total they are filling, sir, 5 liters and they are filling the tank in 6 hours. Total volume, we can say 5 into 6, 30 liters. Total volume is how much they are filling per hour into how many hours. Now, pipe A along with draining pipe which can empty in 20 hours. Acha, drainage pipe can empty the full tank in 20 hours. So drainage pipe ka efficiency, sir, drainage I am taking D, 30 total volume by number of hours. Efficiency is 1.5, sir, liters per hour. That is the efficiency of the drainage pipe. Acha, both of them work together then. Acha, sir. If so, A is filling 3 liters, drainage pipe is emptying 1.5 liters. So if both of them are working together, he is filling 3, he is emptying 1.5. So that means efficiency is 1.5. They have to empty total, that is 30 liters. Time will be this, sir. That will be, sir, again 20. 20 hours, sir, because 15 twos are this. Option D is your correct answer. Option D most definitely is your correct answer, sir. Very simple question once again. Very, very, very simple question, right, sir? Moving on, sir. 20 hours is the answer. Next one. अरे वो ऑर्डर रैंकिंग का क्वेश्चन है, ये भी तो नहीं आता मेरे को. अरे सॉरी, रुको, वो देखो आ गया. Again, I was about to do this. 20% compounded annually interest is this principal they are asking. Sir, always remember 20%. It means principal ratio amount. Sir, 20% means 1 by 5. That means 5 rupee principal, amount interest is 1 rupee. So amount is 5 plus 1, 6 rupees. How many years, sir? 3 years, cube. Put that in power. So your principal ratio amount is coming out to be 125 is to 216, sir. Sir, this is principal, this is amount, sir. Interest is how much, sir? Interest is how much, sir? 91 rupees. That is given as 2457. They are asking what? Principal amount, meaning they are asking the value of 125. So 91 is 2457. 125 will be, sir, 2457 into 125 divided by 91, sir. 13 से 7 से 7 से पहले करते सर. 7 7 7 13 are this. 7 3s are 21. 35 1 13 2s are 26 and 7s are 19. So the answer is 125 into 27, sir. Anything multiplied by 125 into 8 by 8, sir. This is how much, sir? 3.3 by 8, meaning 0.375. 3375, sir. देखो ना आंसर आया 3375 you see option C. You see option C, sir. You see option C, sir. Again 5 25 125 तीनों का तीन गर्लफ्रेंड्स होते they have three girlfriends. 5 का girlfriend is 2, for 4 it is 4, like for 25 it is 4, 125 as 8. Why? Because 125 into 8 is 1000. So I've just calculated and you see 1 by 8, what I did, 3 8s are 24, 3 by 8 na, I know 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5%. 3 by 8 is 37.5%. In terms of decimal, it will be 0.375. So everything has every application. All you need is to use your brain to figure that out. All you need to do. Question 77 skip हो गया. अरे ये तो कतई नहीं हो सकता. रुको मुकेश, I'm going there, brother. 78 77. अरे sorry, thank you मुकेश. Once again last calculation अर्घमिता, you see ना कहाँ गया. अरे वो तो चला गया. अच्छा मैं just I'm showing you the calculation. Okay, can you tell me like what was the value? What was the value? Please can you tell me? अच्छा मेरे को जितना याद था 2457 was 91 ना. हाँ मिल गया. You see, it is 7 13 7 7 7 3s are 21, 35 means 7 5 7 1, 13 2s are this, 7 9s are this. So ultimately we are having 27 times 125. 125, whenever you see, you multiply 8. This is 1000, sir. This is 1000. Now if I multiplied it, I have to divide 8. So this is 8 3s are 24. Very good. 3 whole 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 ko na, I know this in terms of percentage is 37.5%. Sir, percentage means what, sir? 37.5 by 100 na, sir. It means, sir, 0.375. Remember that percentage to fraction the conversion that has applications in calculation as well. You need to understand how to apply. You need to understand how to apply, sir. So that means this is, sir, 3.375 and into this 1000. 1000 will do what, sir? This decimal sign 3 places to the right. So my answer will be 3375. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Chalo. Banega. You have to answer questions. And Mukesh has given us, we had skipped one question. So again, let's do this. We won't skip. Chalo, sir. अरे अभिषेक is saying राम अरे राम भाई. चलो sir. Circumference of this, अच्छा, radius is given, is equal to perimeter. Oh, this is a big question. Circumference of a circle, 2 pi r, 44 by 7 is 2 pi into r is how much? 98 by 11. It is equal to, अच्छा, we have to calculate. This is the perimeter of right angle triangle. So चलो sir, क्या ही करें. This is 14 times, right? 14 4s are 56. So meaning there is a right angle triangle like this one, sir. This is A, this is B, this is root over of A square plus B square. Right? Achha, this is given as 25. Okay. But sir, no, we cannot escape. So this is equal to 25. The first equation, A square plus B square is 625. I was thinking if I can somehow, and sir, please understand, the other equations, the perimeter is same. A plus B plus C is 25. That is 56, sir. A plus B is equal to how much, sir? 55 minus is 30, 31, sir. Sir, 24 576. No sir. हाँ सर यार सर सर हो गया सर. Triplet sir 724 and this triplet आ गया sir. Sir you see two numbers addition is 31 and this is this. Sir addition 31 sir, 24 plus 7 and you do 24 square plus 47 square, 576 plus 49 you'll get this. Sir so that means this is 7, 1 is 7, 1 is 24. They're asking area. Sir half into 7 into sir 24. You don't need to solve the equation. 7 12s are 84. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Brother, there is nothing to wow. Again, please understand, it's all about understanding. If you have solved 100 questions, you will also do this. But ये थोड़ी ना कोई rocket. This is not no rocket science. This is very simple mathematics. Right? Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. And again, please understand, if I am able to solve the questions quickly, that is not my credit. If I can make you guys solve the questions quickly, then that is my credit. Okay? My days are gone, brother. My days are gone. So ये हमने कर लिया था. Let's move on. This one, sir. This one, sir. This is a power calculation. I don't think this will be very big. 0.2 to the power 4 divided by, this is point, like 26 square is 676, 24 square, 2.6, 2.4. Achha, that means 0.2 to the power 9 into, sir, 3 by 2. Square root is 0.2. 1 second. It is 16 divided by 1204. Achha, there is another 0. To the power 4, to the power 1 by 4 will be 0.2. Na? So this means 0.2 to the power 4 is 0. This 0.2 to the power 4, sir, into, sir, 3 by 2. It is equal to, this is, sir, 0.2 whole cube. Cube into, sir, 0.4 m into 256 is 16. 16 by this again, 16 by 80 is 1 by 5, 0.2. Okay, sir. So this is 0.4, na, sorry. And done. So calculate, like equate the powers, sir. Okay, sir. So this is 0.4 minus 0.9 plus 3 plus 2, 6. It is equal to right hand side. This is 1.2 m plus, sir, 0.1. So 0.5, sir, this one minus, and this one is minus 0.6. 5.4. 1.2 m is coming out as 5.4. Acha, m is in this. Acha, chalo, sir. 6, and this is how much, sir? This is 54, not 27. 3 9s are this, 3 2s are this. 9 by 2 means 4.5. Option C, sir. Option C, sir, is your answer. Option C is most definitely your answer, sir. So again, what I've done, you see, I've just equated the powers, because everything was, first I have done what? I have converted everything as the power of 0.2. Because if I take the base same, then only I can equate. I can like make an equation on powers. That is exactly what I have done. That is exactly what I have done, sir. Moving on, sir. 4.5. Option number C, sir. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Next one. Percentage change. Acha, for which the change 2017 is maximum from 2015. Look at the options. So these thought never can happen, because it is minus, it will not happen. This can be one possibility. Again, this won't happen, because if this is happening, then usse pehle to ye hoga. So these two are possibilities, sir. I'll only check for these two. I'll only check. Sir, again, successive percentage change can be checked. The best way is, sir, use AB theorem. 10 plus 5 plus 10 into 5, 50 by 2, 50 by 100. So that is 15.5%. Third one, sir, plus 25 minus 8. Again, in AB theorem, order does not matter. You can take any order, sir. 25 minus 8 minus 25, 8s are 200 by 100, sir. This is 2, sir. This is, sir, this is 17. 17, 17, 17 minus 2, sir, 16. Sorry, 15. This is, sir, 25 minus 8, na? 25 minus 8 is what? 17, right? 17 minus 2, 15, sir. No, sir, this is the biggest one, na? Maximum change, like maximum they are asking, so option A has to be your answer. Option A, अरे wrong हो गया. अरे रुको then we have to check. Then we must check, sir. रुको. We must check, sir. अच्छा, change in price. Okay. I cannot simply go with percentage. Na, prices are also given here. Sorry, I have to calculate. I again have to but again, change in price ना. This was 15%. रुको. Answer ये दोनों में से ही होगा. And this was 15.5% ना. Calculate on the value, sir. 1500 का 15.5% and 1715 का 15%, sir. It is 15 by 100 into 1750. This is bigger, or 15.5 by 100 into 1500, sir. This is bigger. This is 175 into 15 by 10, and it is 15 into 15.5. This is 225 plus 7.5. That is 232.5. And this is, sir, 175 is 1750, and half of that means, sir, 875. 25, 9, and sir, this is 26. This is bigger, sir. This is bigger, sir. Option like C will be, sir, answer. This value is bigger, sir. C will be, sir, answer. Yes, sir. I have not checked the value. I've just gone with the percentage. My mistake, everyone. My mistake, sir. Yes, Satish, Arghamita, absolutely C is the correct answer. C is most definitely, sir, correct answer. अरे रुको, ये फिर से मैं भूल गया. These NTPC mocks are not so big. करती चले जा रही. Sir, this is a template question of Thales. Thales ka template question, sir. Right? Thales is saying this triangle is like similar to the bigger, like the whole triangle. That means, sir, that means the base by base 2x plus 1 divided by, sir, base is 5x plus value दिया है. It is equal to smaller one is, sir, x plus 1 divided by bigger one means the whole thing, sir, 3x plus 1, sir. This must satisfy. This must satisfy again. Rather than solving na 5x like this will be a headache to solve. Rather than solving, let's check the options. But again, I can only see 3 options. Let's hope that this will be the answer. 4. This is 9, sir. 5 2s are. Acha, ruko. Sir, I cannot check by this thing, because my answer has to be this has to be an integer, na? Because all are integers. 3.4, 5x. No, not necessary. This is 5 4s are 20, 23.4. It is a 90 by this. 5 divided by 3 4s are 12 and 13, sir. Right, sir? ये कुछ हो रहा है क्या? 9 से 10, 9 9 9 9 2s are 18. अरे ये हो गया, सर. 5 by 13. We were lucky. Option A is the answer. We were lucky because we can't see the other ones. We can no Satish. I think option A is the answer. Option A is the answer, sir. Because I'm getting the equation to be satisfied. The equation is actually getting satisfied, right? Because I couldn't see D. I was hoping कि भाई A B C में answer आ जाए. चलो sir, next one. A B borrowed 8,000 and 9,400. Okay, sir. Same rate, same number of years. Acha, tell me, why will this difference be created? Because there is a principal difference. Because other rate of interest, years, everything is same. So ultimately, difference will be the interest on that difference of principal, which is, sir, 1,400 rupees. So your answer is 1,400 ka 3 years, 7.5, 22.5%. Sir, 1,400 ka 25%. Check the options, na, sir. Options are very close. No, not very close. Sir, 350 is 25%. And 20% is a 280. So something between 280 and 350. Something between 280 and 350. Sir, ye dekho, sir. Option 1, sir. Option number, sir, 1, we are not solving. You are getting my point? Acha values hai. We are getting so good values. Let's go with this. 315 is the answer, sir. Next one, sir. Passing marks question. Passing marks questions mein, if you have practiced enough, always make your equation around passing marks. Raj scored 25% more than the passing marks. Acha, sir. Passing marks is 100x. Percentage hai na, sir? Okay. So 25% more means Raj has scored how much, sir? 125x. Acha, Ajay scored 28% less than Raj. Acha, sir, let's do one thing. Let me give you a fantastic technique here. Okay, everyone, learn this. If this thing is given, na, I'm giving you a fantastic technique here. Very, very useful. Sir, always remember 80 ka. 80, if you increase by 25%, it gives you 100. So whenever I'm saying Raj scored 25% more than the passing marks, na, and the second percentage I need to calculate on that value. So I am saying, acha sir, passing marks, na, sir, let's take it 80x, not 100x. 25% more, meaning, sir, Raj scored 25% of 80 is 1/4, 20, you see 100x. You see, this is a beautiful property you can use in many chapters everywhere. Now you see the second part of the question becomes so easy now. Ajay scored 28 less than Raj, meaning Ajay scored how much? As this is 100x, this Ajay Raj ka score, this is, I can simply say 72x. Sir, what is the difference? Sir, passing marks 8x. That is given as failed the exam by 12 marks. Sir, 8x is equal to 12, sir. Now, maximum, sir, I need passing marks. Passing marks is how much, sir? 80x. Meaning, sir, into 10. The answer, this is passing marks. 120 out of 320, sir. Like this is asking percentage. 120 by 320 into 100, sir. So 4 2s are this, 4 8s are this. 4 3s are this. Nah. So this is 4 2 4, this is 25. 75 by 2, 37.5%. 37.5%. Option D, sir. Option number, sir, D. Option number, sir, D, everyone. Clear? Very simple, sir. Very simple, sir. Option number, sir, D. You see, please remember that technique, 80 and 100 wala. Nothing special, but again, it's very special. You see, they have also solved wahi wala, dekho. You see, they have also solved normal wala, not our way. Not the our way. Not in our way. Acha, sir, this question, I'm skipping, sir, okay? Because we have just solved, I've just given you this technique, ki how to figure this out. There are 4 formulas, sir. advanced formulas in class 11th. There is a chapter called sums and products. Trigonometrical ratios of sums and products. Very, very, very important chapter. Do not mug up the formulas. You will get confused. Okay, understand how this thing comes. You will never get like for this thing. So sine A plus B, sine A minus B, and cos A plus B and cos A minus B. Okay, we have just understood this. But again, if you are a very advanced student, sir, cos C minus cos D gives you like both signs, because like you like just think about this. Cos formula is cos A cos B plus or minus sin A sin B. So if I do the minus, that sine part will remain. So sine 60 and sine sine 30 and sine 45. Sine 30 and so sine 45 with a negative sign, because minus a. This is the only case where minus comes. And sine minus sine, sine में sine and cos, and minus है, तो this will be cos 45, sir. And so sine, this is how much? 30, sir. This is the ratio, sir. अरे कर ही तो दिया. अरे this is 1, because 45 is 1. Minus 1 is the answer. Here the option B. Option B is the answer. But again, you have to have very good knowledge or command over these formulas to be able to even understand this. Okay, it might look, sir, ये तो बहुत simple, and it is not that simple. I don't generally say this, but again, these formulas you have to have some good idea about. Otherwise, it is very difficult to move. Let me say one thing, that chapter actually deals with, the rule is, if you have things in sum, you convert them in product. Sin C plus sin D, you convert them into that. Sir, if they are given in product, sir, you convert them into sum, sir. That is the only thing you need to know. That is the only thing that you need to know, sir. Okay, sir. If you are okay with that, it's very simple. It's very, very simple. Perfect, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Acha. 89 resides a joint setting of, अरे देखो, ये भी मेरा नहीं है. Not this one. Product of two decimals. Very simple case. This is a simple one, sir. Product of two decimals is this. One is this. So other decimal is, sir, 0.564 by 1.2. Do not take tension with this. This is 1000. This is, sir, 10. 12. 4s are 48. 12s are 7s are 8. This. So this is 10 gone, sir. This is 47 by 100, meaning 0.47 is the other decimal. Difference 1.2 minus 0.47. Sir, 0.73, sir. 0.73, sir. Yes, option number C, sir. Option number C is our correct answer. It's a very, very simple question. Very, very, I guess the easiest of the lot. I guess the easiest of the lot till now. अरे यार फिर से मैं भूल गया. I guess there is one more question left. क्या हो गया? No, sir. Done. Done. That was the last question. That was the last question, sir. छूटा तो नहीं ना, sir? No, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir. We are done. So again, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have understood the things, and definitely, you see in the solutions, I've given you some tips and tricks, the easiest and the best way to solve. Please try to implement that in the next mock. And tomorrow onwards, again, we'll be having the marathon practice sessions every day. Tomorrow I'll come, day after tomorrow I'll come, the next day of that I'll also come. Okay, so again, I'll see you guys in the classes every day at 5 o'clock. So till then, so I'll meet you guys again tomorrow. Till then, please take care. Thank you so much. Have a very, very, very good night. And do keep on practicing. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you so much.